They once stood for law and order, for truth beneath the flag's bright stars. Now echoes rise from darker corners, whispers turning into scars. The party built on Lincoln's name now flirts with hate, ignites the flame. The brand of freedom's burning slow. Where did the moral compass go? They're tearing down the wall that kept the madness out. The line between right and wrong is fading now. Once the guardians of law, now they let demons call. How far will they fall? Tearing down the wall. He says he loves the tyrant's crown, and still they give him air and sound. A platform born of fear and lies, while reason bleeds before our eyes. They trade the spine for one more vote, while history screams in every quote. A nation trembling, hearts in doubt, as haters whispered louder now. They're tearing down the wall that kept the madness out. The line between right and wrong is fading now. Once the voice of reason, proud and tall, now shadows rise, tearing down the wall. Law and justice used to be their sacred oath, their legacy, but silence is a blade so cold, cutting through the truth they told. The flame they fed won't just die out. It feeds on fear, it feeds on doubt. They're tearing down the wall that kept the darkness out. The echoes of the past are screaming loud. Once defenders, now they storm, and history will recall. They let it fall. They tore down the wall. They tore down